Hi. All right. It's been a while since I have done a video on my channel. I have just gotten into uh, long wearing nail polishes. So I know that before I had done some lip scents and then I was doing Color Street, and now I have discovered just regular polish that wears for 5 to 6 to 7 days. And I've really gotten into changing my polishes a lot. I really like the brand Zoya, and they recently had a promotion where you got a mystery bag when you, and for $50 I think you got 6 polishes and then the mystery bag. So I am unboxing the mystery bag. I've already unboxed it, but I'm just now opening it. All right, so it came with a leaflet, but I haven't looked at it yet because I'm waiting to see what is in my bag. All right, so it's a nice like rectangular bag that unzips all the way around. Okay. Oh, and then I open it up at special offers. All right, some coupons. It's a really nice bag. So on either side, this is a mesh, and then this is like a plastic, and it's zippered as well. All right, so let's see what it has in here. I'll hold them up. Okay, so first, it has the, I'm going to say it's oily. Oh, can we see that? Nah, it's hard to see. There we go. Oily. It says it is spray on total repair, lightweight, mess free, instant moisture with naturally derived scents. Let's see what it does. All right, spray on total repair oil, unscented. So, okay, I'm guessing it's for hands. I don't know. It could be for anything. Just gonna, I don't want to spray it on my computer. All right, so I have sprayed it on. Nice and silky, kind of oily. It is called oily. I'm guessing that's how you say it. And it really doesn't have a scent at all. Actually, for people who don't like scented stuff, it really doesn't have one. But it kind of gave me a glistening look, you can kind of see. All right, so that's the first part. This one, can't tell what it says. So I'll just open up the box. It just says Zoya on it. Just open up the box. I am not paid by Zoya, by the way. I kind of really fell in love with the nail polish, mainly because it stays on really well, and they have so many different colors, and it goes on well. I like it. All right, this one, oh, I think it's a lipstick. It is a lipstick. Ooh, and it is a beautiful red color. I don't know that everybody gets the same red color. I'm going to put it on this hand. I really like that. It's not too far off from the color that I like. This is a little more purple. This is a Lip Sense Purple Rain, just so you know. I've had it on. Right now it is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've had it on since 8 a.m. So no reapplication. I still love Lip Sense. I don't sell it anymore. But all right. So, and let's see if it has a color name on this. I really like it. It is called, oh, it's called Red. So it's just called Red. There we go. I like that. I'm going to wipe it off so I don't get it on my clothes or anything. Or try. All right. Oh, okay, what's next? It says Jelly Rescue Serum. Unique serum that mimics and supports the nail's own hydration. So this is a nail thing. Oh, it's like a dropper. So I'm going to assume, I will read the pamphlet when I get done. Apply a pea-sized amount of the rescue serum to one fingertip. Use half the amount for each hand. All right. Distribute evenly among fingernails and massage until it is absorbed. Do not wash off. Okay, so that is the Naked Manicure Jelly Cure Rescue Serum. All right, this Jelly Cure Rescue Base. I'm going to guess it's a base coat of some sort. Open it up. Oh, sorry. You can't see. I'm like down here working with my hands. I should hold it up more to my face. Yep, this is, oh, Shake Me, it says. Directions, instructions. Apply a coat of repair base directly on top of the rescue serum. All right, so you do the serum and then you do this. I am unclear if then you would continue to do your manicure, but probably, right? Probably. All right, now I have, oh, it's just a nail file. The nice 3 different textures on it. Okay. Now I'm going to the mesh side here. I have a 3-in-1 formula, remove plus polish remover, nail cleaner, nail prep. That came with it. All right. And then hydrating hand and body serum. Oh, another spray thing. It's got like bubbles in it. Let's see if I can read what it says. Instructions: spray over hands, body, or feet and gently massage. Hand and body cream. See immediate results. Optional, use Naked Manicure Healing Hand and Body Cream to help lock in moisture, not intended for use on face. Okay, so I'll try this on my hands. The one that already has, what was this, oily on it. Oh, it's much thicker, much more like a gel. Still really no smell to it, which is kind of nice. All right, and then the last thing in my bag, surprise, surprise, is the Healing Dry Hand and Body Cream. So we will try that. Ooh. So this says, and you would just use this normally, apply directly to desired areas of body, hands, and feet, and massage. Optional, use over the Naked Manicure Hydrating Serum, which I just did. Not intended for use on face. Oh, this is sealed. Okay. I'm just going to use a little bit. It doesn't have much of a smell that I can tell. It smells kind of like I'm thinking it smells kind of like a baby powdered Barbie doll that I remember from my youth, or maybe like almost like a strawberry shortcake if you guys are of age like I am and remember what those smelled like. It's not a super strong smell at all. Like it wouldn't make me sick. It's just got a light scent that's a little bit like that, like a strawberry shortcake kind of thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you my polishes that I chose, the colors of polishes I chose. I'm going to look up, I don't remember what this color is. It's a black color. I'm looking up which one it is because I don't remember because I just started like buying these and loving them. This one, I think it's either, it's not Cosmo or Genesis. What is this one? Willa, maybe? Willa or Imogen? Let me, I'm just checking. Pardon me. Yep, Willa. It's Willa. It's basically black. All right. Okay, so the colors that I ordered, and it comes in here, and they're all individually in boxes. But I will take them out of their boxes so you can see them. All right, this one I ordered, and I just kind of, they let you make a wish list. And so when I saw that this promotion was coming up with the mystery bag, I was like, I'm just ordering stuff on my wish list. Ooh, I like this one. This is Luxe. I am hoping, you know, I used to sell Color Street, I told you. I'm hoping that when it's on, it looks a lot like Tokyo Lights. That's my hope. I will say I have worn a glitter, and it's not as smooth as like Color Street would be, right? You feel that glitter, whereas Color Street, you put those strips on and you did not feel that it was smooth, right? But with this, it is, you can feel the glitter. So I like to put like 3 top coats on it so that it's smoother. All right, but I'm excited to try that. It's super pretty. Okay, that one is Luxe. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this one is Tyran. This one is Tyran. It's a darker gray. I'm sorry I'm not swatching these for you because I just did my nails last night. So it's a darker gray, like a charcoal. You can Google and find people swatching it. My light in here is not great anyway. And clearly I would be doing it and then holding up my hands, so it wouldn't be great anyway. All right. This one is Dot. It's like a baby pink. I just wanted like almost a white pink color. And that's what it appears to be. It's kind of hard. Again, my lighting. It's not great. That one's Dot. I'm so excited about all these. All right. This one, oh, this is my light gray that I got, and it is called Dove. So when you hold this up, this is Dove, and this is Tyran, right? So I've got 2 different grays, a light gray and a dark gray. Move all my boxes around. This one is called Danica, and I picked this out because it's like my favorite color in the world, like a dark teal color. So I'm super excited to try this. This dark teal color, Danica, because as you can tell, I really like that like dark blue tealish color, as my room is kind of that dark teal color. All right. Some of these boxes, I tore that one. I tore it. Oh well. Throwing them away anyway. Oh, it's almost Valentine's Day, so I picked a super bright, fun red. This is Hannah. Hannah. Is that it? Is that my last one? It was. That was my last one. So there was my unboxing of my Zoya mystery bag. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to try and do these videos a little more often. I think I don't even know how long it's been. It's been a long time. So, bye. See you later.